Hello everyone. Today we are going to do our discussion on Iran and Israel conflict. Recently, Israel attacked Iran with missiles, and why they did it. According to reports, or according to Prime Minister of Israel, Iran was possessing uranium enrichment up to 90%, and from this they can make nuclear weapons. So that's why Israel carried out attack on the nuclear facilities of Iran and also killed their nuke scientists and top military commander. Okay, and many nuclear facilities have been destroyed by Israel, and one of the famous places Natanz, okay, where nuclear or uranium enrichment was taking place. Okay, so this is the reason, and now we will see if this war broke out on the full scale, what could be the impact on India. You will say war is going on Iran and Israel, so why we are talking about India. Now we are living in globalized world. Okay, so if those countries are fighting the war where we have some investment or interest, then definitely we will be at the receiving end. So let's analyze this conflict from the point of view of India. I hope so far you got this. So according to me, India is at the strategic loss, as we know that India have invested in Haifa port of Israel and Chabhar port of Iran, and these are very important locations. Haifa port will give access to Mediterranean Sea, and also very important port for IMEC project. And Iran Chahwar port could connect us to Afghanistan, and also we can monitor the activity of Pakistan and China at the Gwadar port. So if there is damage in these two ports, India will be at strategic loss. Second, remittances loss. India is one of largest remittance country. We got around 125 billion remittances. Okay, remittances means any person working outside and they are sending money to your country. It's called remittances. And Middle East contribute a lot in this. So if Middle East is destabilized, then definitely we will see less remittance inflow in our country. Third will be diplomatic dilemma. As I mentioned, we have good relation with Iran and Israel right now. So it will be difficult to choose sides. Israel is one of the top defense partner, and with Iran we can influence Islamic nation for our own national interest. Second, fourth, energy crisis. From the Middle East, a lot of oil is supplied to the world, and if oil reserves are destroyed by some missile attack or some blockage of any global shipping route, then definitely we will see hike in oil prices. Then proxy war. These 2 points are very interconnected. We have seen when Hamas and Israel war was ongoing, Houthis were attacking ships passing through the Red Sea, and again they can do this to support Iran, and ultimately we have to take longer path. And here not only India's loss but world will be at the receiving end, because a lot of trade pass through Red Sea. Then job crisis. Many Indians work in Middle East countries, and lot of them do blue collar job. So if there's war, they will be unemployed and they will return back to India, and they will see in India there is a more unemployment. So then we will have more job crisis in India. So these will be repercussion for India if the war broke out in full scale. There could be many other, but what I could analyze with my knowledge. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.